What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an instrument to your R-Track Solo. So remember, input 2 also gives us the option to set up an instrument like a guitar or a keyboard. So for that, I have my guitar right here, and I'm also going to need a 1/4" instrument cable. I'm going to plug one end into my guitar, then I'm going to plug the other end into the 1/4" input of channel 2. So keep in mind, when we're setting up a guitar, we're actually going to want to engage the high Z switch right next to the input here. So now we're going to raise the gain knob for input 2, then we can go ahead, create a new track, and set it to input 2. Now I'll raise the volume for my guitar, and if I play, you'll see the level coming through our track here. So now we're all set to record some guitar tracks, and if you have them, you can use an amp simulator to change the sound of the guitar. We can also use similar steps to set up a keyboard here. So I can take a 1/4" cable. For this, because there's only one 1/4" input available, I'm gonna use the mono output on my keyboard and then plug the other end into the 1/4" input. For this setup, we won't need the high Z, so we're gonna turn that off. Again, we'll wanna create a new track and make sure that it's set up to input 2. From there, we're gonna raise the gain knob so we can set the input level. And now if I play, you'll see the level coming through our track here. Remember, if you see the levels coming through your tracks but you're not hearing the instrument, you'll want to double check the monitoring section on the back of the interface. So if you want to hear everything from the computer and the DAW only, you're going to set this to DAW mode. If you only want to hear the things plugged into the interface, you're going to set this to direct. And if you want to hear both of those at the same time, you can set them to mix. The cool thing is you can plug in both your microphone and your instrument, set up some tracks on your DAW, and record both at the same time. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your instrument to your R-Track Solo. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.